Happy Circuit Sunday, the day after the 4th of July Sunday. Kind of quiet because it's early in the morning and I spent the night at friend's house. I love them dearly and I had a wonderful 4th of July. I hope everybody out there had a beautiful 4th of July as well. I'm going to show you I'm about to get up and do my circuit morning so that I can get my day going, but they have some curtains to draw here because she's British. I love her dearly. And her husband's Israeli. Check this out. Look at their flags. I don't know if you could see them. You see the flags by the tree? Happy 4th of July, everybody. The day after. Okay, so first things first. On this Circuit Sunday, I'm carrying you with me because first things first is I need to drink some water. Then, fueling my circuit a little bit, I'm gonna place you over here so that, yeah, I hope you can hear me, but it's not about hearing me, it's about seeing what I do to get my circuits moving. Breath work. So we had water. We're gonna breathe. Of course, the first thing I very much did was pray. That's very personal on my own time. Now, I'm gonna go do some help myself. So, what I'm going to do, because I have a sore kneecap here, which is very, very much a fight within my body. So, on this Circuit Sunday, for anybody out there that needs to fight to feel right and feel like you are in love with yourself in life, this is what you should probably incorporate in your daily routine somewhere. It's just a thought. That's what I do. I make sure that my body is ready to go out and see and do whatever it needs to do to be the best that I can be. So, breathing and stretching as always. This way you can be the firecracker after the 4th of July. Slow precision on your movements. Breath work is continuous. Your circuit goes around and around and around with the breath. Your circuit never stops. Why should you? Align your spine. My firecrackers are the cracking in my body. They're crack, 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 like a firecracker. Using your own body as leverage. I have my foot. I have my leg. You can see it. My leg on top of my foot. It's leverage. Put that knee down, so work on it whichever way you can. The area in your body, wherever it hurts, work on it. Sending firecrackers throughout your body in the morning. Get up, do it. Create that breath that will create that movement in your body. Become that powerful circuit. Love yourself. Till next Circuit Sunday, enjoy your day.